headphones.
You got the phones?
Yeah.
Okay. This is part 2, and so yeah, we're about to send it. This is the next day, and so yeah, let's go. Okay, tired. I'm scared. This is deep.
Maybe we shouldn't go with this. Driving through it.
Dude, there's like a few, every single person that's driven past is like, what are you doing, you ass? happen for anybody. I already know they're gonna hop on and take my key. I already know it, dude.
You do the thing where my car got.
Alright guys, so this is Tuesday now, and that was last Tuesday. The video was supposed to come out on Sunday, but that never really happened. Whatever, it's Tuesday. But I'm gonna switch our schedule from videos every Sunday to now videos every Tuesday, because we go ride or have a race on Saturday, and we have one whole day to edit a whole video and get it out by like Sunday afternoon. It's like, without having a PC or anything that can do it fast, like just doing it all on phone, all by myself, it's really hard. So I don't know, hopefully all you guys are still like happy about this, but I'm going to switch the date to every single Tuesday. But hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. That was actually crazy. That was a pretty long video. Like, not edited, it was 107 minutes, which is, yeah, that's over an hour. I don't know. Hour 40, I think. It's almost 2 hours, I think. But yeah, I kind of had fun making this video, other than it's late. Pretty stressing, but whatever. Got it on. I don't know, whatever. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Share it to your friends. Like the video. Trying to get 10 likes on every single video this year, and we're trying to start to make money. Maybe we can buy a PC then. So, thank you guys. Like I say, I don't know, I say this every time. My outros are so long, but I really do. I spend time on these videos, and I really hope that everybody likes them. So, put in the comments what I should do next. Next week is going to be Portage. Then the weekend after that is... Yeah, so next weekend is going to be Vita and all that. So, got 2 race videos coming up for you guys, and it's back-to-back. We got Portage this weekend, Vita next weekend. At least I think we're going to Vita. I think so. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know what we're doing after that. But we'll figure something out. Maybe we'll put the small little 25-inch tires on the Renegade and make a video. Mini tires on the Renegade 1000. I don't know. Maybe that'll be fun. But yeah, like I say, everybody put in the comments. See what happens. But yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, dude. I cannot express that enough. And thank you guys for all the support lately. We're at 940 subscribers. So close to 1,000. So, what a dream come true. Thank you guys so much. And I guess we'll catch you on the next one. Peace out. Have a good day. What an intro, dude. Or outro. What a video, actually. That was peak. I love that.